Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chatiri, or you can call me Chat for short. I am from Thailand and right now I am living in Germany. And in today's video, I'm going to be trying the makeup from the Boxycharm November box. If you haven't seen what I got from this box, I will link the video. So what I'm going to be trying in this video are the brushes from Boxycharm. They are really nice and dense and I'm super excited to try these brushes. And the Celestrial Thunder from Dominique Cosmetic eye palette, and the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector pressed highlighter in vanilla quartz. And I already tried this on my last video, but I'm going to do in this video again. And I already have primer on. I was using Tatcha silk canvas, and now I'm gonna do a little bit of correcting. I'm using the Cover Effect Correct Click in Peach. I also just got my Sephora box. The order I'd order in the Sephora VIB sale, and I will do unboxing with you guys in my next video and show you guys what I got from the sale. And I'm gonna blend this out with the Boxycharm brush. There are two sizes. I will be using the big one for the foundation, and I will be using this one for blending this out and also with the contour. I just like to stamp this. I don't want to blend it out too much because it will be too sheer and then it won't cover any dark patches that I have. And now I'm going to set the area that I correct with a little bit of powder. I'm using the Maybelline Superstay full coverage up to 16-hour powder foundation in, what are you, golden caramel. I just found that doing this make the foundation stick better to this area. Now for the foundation, I will be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation. This is in the shade 345. I do like this hydrating version for this time of the year. Now I'm using the big brush from Boxycharm, and did I tell you I like the handle? It's make me think of that Harry Potter wand and that rose brush from NY, which I don't have. This brush might be a little bit too big for some area. I'm gonna go back to a smaller brush and just try to cover some acne spot. Okay, the foundation is on, and now I'm gonna do a little bit of contour with NYX Wonder Stick. This is in the shade Dark. This brush is probably too big for my nose contour, so I'm gonna use different brush for that part. But right now I'm gonna use this on my cheek. Not bad, I would say. And now I'm gonna finish the rest of my base, and I will be right back so we can move on to the eyeshadow palette. My base and my brows are done, and now it's time to try the eyeshadow palette. But first I'm gonna prime my eyes, and I will be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eye Amplifier. I'm just gonna do one eye on camera and then I will do the other eye off camera just to save some time. This is my first Dominique Cosmetic makeup product. I've seen her channel like 1 or 2 times, but I never bought any of her makeup. I will start off with this shade, which is called Lunar Eclipse. This is the lightest one on this palette, and it's orangey, which I really like it. I will use it as my transition shade, and I won't be doing a complicated look today. It is blend easily, even though on the tacky base. First I was just gonna do simple fall look with all this yellow, but not yellow, orange. But I kind of want to use the Lucid Dream here, and I definitely want to use this shade because it's dual chrome. It's like orange but also pink, and for sure this shade is gonna go on my inner corner. Okay, I'm just gonna go with the Lucid Dream on my lid and see what happens. I'm just stamping this shade onto my lid, and now I'm just buffing that shade into the first shade. And I'm going back to my first brush and blend that pink with the first shade. It's kind of give me that sunset vibe now. And now I'm gonna go with my fingertip and going into Fireball and just place that. Wow, it's really beautiful. And then I'm grabbing a flat concealer brush and I'm gonna do 1/3 cut crease with the Fireball shade just to create that line there. Oh, it's more like half cut crease now. To me, this shade is pink. On camera, it also look kind of pink. I know I said I'm not gonna do a complicated look, but I also want to try to use as much as possible of this palette, so I'm gonna go with the Zero Gravity here, and I'm just gonna deepen my outer V. Okay, this one has a little fall out. Maybe I dip it into the shade a little too harsh. This shade on the pink make it look like dark purple, which is nice. And going back into my first brush and just buff everything up. And I'm going into the Eternal Light for my inner corner. Dang, that is pretty. I'm just bringing it up into my shimmer pink here. Just blend it in a little bit. Wow, that's good decision. And then I'm going back. No, I'm gonna use different shade. I'm gonna use the Storm Dust for my lower lash line. This shade is definitely darker on my eyes and on the palette. And now I'm gonna do the other eye, and then we will finish this eye look together. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of black liner as close as possible to my lash line, because I have hooded eye and I don't want it to take too much space of my lid. And then I'm gonna finish off with just mascara because I have been loving my natural lash lately. I have been using the lash serum and I can see the difference now. Okay, so I complete the eye look and also did some lipstick, contour and blush, and now I will be doing the Becca highlighting. The shade that I got is called Vanilla Quartz, which is super beautiful and really light. Like first I opened it, I was scared because it might be too light for me, but it's okay. It's really beautiful. And you can do a sheer highlighter with this, which I try on my unboxing video, and then you can also build it up to have the blinding effect. And I think that this shade really matching with the inner corner highlighter. So this is the difference. I have one Becca highlighter and it's from Chrissy Teigen collection, and I love this so much. So I know that this highlighting is gonna be great as well, and I am correct. Okay, and this is the finished look, and now it's time for my final thoughts. I am really happy with this Boxycharm November box because I feel like it really worth the money, and I really like these brushes. If they ever come up with more size, I would probably get them because these are not enough for me. The highlighting is really great. The shade is good if you have skin tone like me or even lighter. I'm not sure about darker. It might be too light for darker complexion. And for the eyeshadow palette, this is my first Dominique Cosmetic eye palette, and I gotta say that I use everything except for this shade and this shade right here, and they're all really great, blend easily and nice pigment, and I like this look. So that is it for my videos today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and give me the thumbs up if you do, and leave me the comment down below what do you think of this look or any of the product. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!